In a jungle, there lived a lion who shared his cave with two puppies. At night, an owl would also come there. A hyena also lived just outside the lion's cave. The hyena always followed the lion everywhere. The lion was the king of the jungle. All the animals were afraid of him. But the owl and the puppies were not afraid of the lion. The hyena wondered how the two puppies and the owl lived so happily and fearlessly together with the lion in the same cave. One day, the lion killed a deer and brought it into the cave. He had a hearty meal, and so he was feeling sleepy. Soon it was dark, and the owl came into the cave. It saw a mouse in the cave. The owl swooped down and killed it. When the lion saw this, he said to the owl,
"You may join the puppies and eat to your heart's content."
The hyena was standing outside the cave. He, too, was hungry. Gathering some courage, he entered the cave. He said to the lion,
"I follow you like a shadow. I am also hungry. Please give me some food."
The lion said,
"If you are hungry, why do you ask me? You move around in the forest. Why can't you find your own food?"
But the hyena argued. The lion replied,
"You follow me everywhere, but you are of no use to me."
"What about the puppies and the owl?"
asked the hyena again. The lion said,
"Listen, when the hunters come to hunt in the forest, the puppies smell them and start barking to warn me. The owl is the queen of the night. She kills the mice, which disturb my sleep at night. So the puppies and the owl are useful to me. Everyone likes a person who is useful in some way."
There was much truth in the lion's argument. The hyena was convinced, and he left the spot without saying another word.